Guys, whatever.
Welcome to the 6th Division District Court Clerk's Office. Our office hours are 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. The courthouse is located in the J. Justice Garrity Judicial Complex at 1 Durrance Plaza, Providence, Rhode Island. Please listen carefully, for our options have changed. For the criminal division, press 1. For the civil division or small claims, your call is being transferred. Please hold. District Court.
How you doing? My name is Jamal. I have court this upcoming Thursday. I had trial 2 weeks ago, and when I got to the door,
What's your last name?
I'm not sure what the record says my name is, but I have the case number.
Oh, okay, yeah, let's do that then.
It's
What is it?
61-20-2734.
As of right now, I don't know whether or not your case is going to get heard. What's a good phone number for me to reach you at?
401 336 6799.
Okay, I will call you before Thursday, and I'll let you know whether or not that trial is going to get heard.
Okay, do you know why? Do you know why?
So, as of right now, we are only hearing cases with attorneys, but we're going to see, because, 3 or 4 people that are coming in?
What do you mean?
I don't know if I have enough, if I have a judge or sheriffs for everybody.
Is there a case manager I can speak with?
No, there isn't.
Is there any way I can schedule a meeting with the prosecutor?
You could just call the prosecutor.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So,
I called earlier.
we might find out the day of if court is canceled or not. Because there's not enough sheriffs and there's not enough judges.
Even though we've had the same so-called magistrate the entire time.
Yep, same prosecutor.
Yep.
The same sheriff with the blonde hair was the same guy on camera asking us did we leave the state or whatever. He's been the same guy in the courtroom with us, so they have no reason.
They probably want to see how many people are going to show up.
It doesn't make sense. This is crazy.
They're going to see a whole bunch more show up and they're like, next time. Thank you.
This is crazy. Alright, if you don't believe me, just watch the video again, call the same number again, and ask about my case number again and see what's going on, because I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna have to call Gabrielle, see if she wants to drop it. I'm sweaty because I'm cleaning. Don't judge me. Alright, Morris. Any questions? Oh, someone says speedy trial. All right, let me show you this real fast. Because some Europeans said I was making it up. And, you know, a lot of people believe Europeans, so.
No, they said there's court procedures, so every time something happens, it gets stopped. The number of days gets stopped in between, so it's not 70 consecutive days for a speedy trial.
That's retarded.
Yo. That's not what the fuck the Constitution says. It means what it means. It says what
Unknown? That's probably the courts. Speedy Trial Act. All right, justice.gov. Or you can go to Cornell.University. It's up to you. You can look it up. It's 70 days. Then idiots are going to say, well, that's the federal constitution. States have their own jurisdiction. Okay.
That they don't.
R.I. Exactly. You know that, and I know that, but idiots don't know that.
Idiots.
I'm pretty sure it's Article 1.
For the idiots, that means they're operating under color of law, and they're just.
Maybe section. I think 22 is right to bear arms.
rules.
Yes, it's right to bear arms. Let me just read Article 1. Let's see if I can find it.
Statism is a cult.
Rhode Island Constitution. I'm pretty sure it's under Article 1. This is, I don't even know why I'm doing this.
You
But
know statists are domestic terrorists?
oh.
What? They say shit like this to us all the time.
Alright, so let me click on all of it.
If you go against the Constitution that's already in place, guess what? You're a domestic terrorist.
Let me see, where is it? Right to speedy trial. Searches and seizures. Right to bail. Right to accused persons. So Article 1, Section 10. Let's see if that's it. In all criminal prosecutions. Let me put this down because it's shaky. In all criminal prosecutions, persons shall enjoy the right to speedy and public trial. Oh. So it's not just federal, it's state constitution. This was the last thing I sent them.
Did you find the 70-day thing?
Yeah, I already showed it to him.
Oh.
That unknown number left you a voicemail. I don't know if you want to answer or see if it's the courts.
No.
This is the last thing I sent them when the prosecutor... Excuse me. Actually, it wasn't Gabrielle Perlmutter who was the prosecutor. It was this lady, Megan McDonough. I sent them this, saying the prosecution is in contempt of court for evading and failing to completely answer all of the questions in the conditional writ of discovery filed with this court and sent to the prosecutor. See Rhode Island General Laws 12, 17, 16, Defendant's Right of Discovery, and Rhode Island District Rules Criminal Procedure number 16G, Continuing Duty to Disclose, Failure to Comply. Number 2, this issue must be dismissed for lack of prosecution. The prosecution, justice, magistrate, judge, or any other officer of the court or of the state is barred from claiming that due to COVID-19 the courts were closed and there could be no prosecution, or the courts were closed, or any other argument. See Rhode Island General Law 12, 10, 1, courts open at all times. So obviously I just called the courts. They admit that they're still open. It's just they're only choosing to litigate issues with people with attorneys. So they're violating my right for their own private benefit. Where does the state in Rhode Island General Laws that they can do that? Show me. And of course, Rhode Island District Rules, Criminal Procedure, Rule 48, dismissal by court. If there is unnecessary delay in bringing a defendant to trial, the court may dismiss the complaint. And Rhode Island District Court, District Rule, Criminal Procedure, Rule 2, Purpose and construction. These rules are intended to provide for the just determination of every criminal proceeding to which they apply. So every single one of them, not just some of them, not just some of them where there's a prosecutor or some where there's an attorney, pro se litigants as well. They shall be construed to secure simplicity in procedure, fairness in administration. So it's unfair because they're only dealing with people with attorneys. And the elimination of unjustifiable expenses and delay. So they literally have an unjustifiable delay, and it's costing me time and money, gas money and all that stuff, to go to court, printing all these papers to keep reminding them that they're in default. Number 3, all affidavits and writs filed on my behalf have not been rebutted word for word and therefore stand as evidence. Additionally, the courts have failed to prove jurisdiction on the record to hear cases in which the federal question is raised, where there is an issue of diversity of citizenship and nationality. Only federal district courts have jurisdiction over both federal questions and issues of diversity, to include treaty issues or issues upon which a treaty can be or has been enforced. Then, of course, some stare decisis, res judicata for everybody. Hold on. Number 4. This issue must be dismissed for violation of both the federal and state constitutions. See Rhode Island Constitution, Article 1, Section 10, right of accused in criminal proceedings. In all criminal prosecutions, accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial. And the Constitution for the United States of America, which all judges, magistrates, justices, and attorney generals take an oath to. 6th Amendment, in all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial. And House Resolution 17409, 93rd Congress, 1973 to 1974 Speedy Trial Act, provides that in a case involving a defendant, the appropriate judicial officer shall, after consultation with the counsel for the defendant and the attorney for the government, which that never happened, I never consulted with any of them, set a certain day for trial. Asserts that The trial of a defendant charged with an offense shall be commenced in the following: 1. Any information or indictment shall be filed within 30 days with specific exceptions. 2. The arraignment shall be held within 10 days of the filing date with specified exceptions. And 3. Where a plea of not guilty is ensured, the trial of the defendant shall commence within 60 days from arraignment. So 60 days. So that 10 days is added. So it's 10 days from right here. 10 days for the arraignment, and then 60 days after, so a total of 70 days. Which you'll see we're going to court for this March.
This
March
is Rhode
5th.
Island general laws for the state of
Which one? This one?
Yeah, 12.
Rhode Island General Laws, Criminal Procedure, Title 12. Preliminary Proceedings in District Court, 12.10.5. Discharge of persons charged with offense beyond trial jurisdiction of District Court. Whenever any person shall be brought before any district court charged with any offense which it has not jurisdiction to try and determine, and after hearing all the evidence adduced in relation to it, it shall not appear to the district court that the accused is probably guilty of the offense or of any other offense substantially charged in the complaint, the accused shall be immediately discharged. So they don't even have the jurisdiction to determine if someone's innocent or guilty. If they lack jurisdiction, they have to immediately discharge the case, close the case, dismiss the case, etc. So that's basically it. We just want everybody to know that they're still playing games. For the record, we did it live. No fake stuff. All right, Morris, peace.